Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the last two Tectonics, a.k.a. Suguru. We have a Tectonic with 1 star and we have a Tectonic with 3 stars. Alright, we will start with the 1 star Tectonic Sudoku, and this will be a number 1527. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see a single box? Yeah, the single box is already filled in. Do we have a dual box? Scan, scan, scan. No. We have here a triple box. The 1, 2 and a 3 goes in these two boxes. We see here 3, so no 3 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 1 and the 2 are left. We see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These two boxes are left for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark them for you, 4 and 5. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes should be the 3 and the 5. Yeah. Let me see. This area, 1 and the 3 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 3 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 1 and the 3 are left in this area. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 3 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Then 2, 5. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Excuse me, blow my nose. We have a quadrat box here. 1, 2, 3 and a 4. 2 and a 3 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this area for the number 5. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Yeah. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here. The 5 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area for the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left should be the 3. One. Yeah. Okay. Suppose we have a 3 and a 5. Suppose this is a 3. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. And that box cannot be a 3. And I need a 3 in one of those 3 boxes. So this cannot be a 3. This should be a 5. And this should be a 3. We have a 5 now, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 3. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 5. Wait. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them. Those 2 boxes should be the 2 boxes left for the 1 and the 5. Yeah. 1, 2. This box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. So it must be a 3. 2, 2. 3, 4. Alright. Let me think. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. The 3 is also missing. The 4. This box cannot be a 4. We have a 4 here, so the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. Alright. If I place a 4 here, that means these 4 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. So this box cannot be a 4. This is not the solution. So this box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. Same story. If I place the 3 here, these 4 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Look, we have a 3 here. So I need a 3 in one of those 4 boxes, 5 boxes. So this can be a 3. This cannot be a 3. This should be a 1. And this should be a 3. We have a 1 here. So these 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 5. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 2 goes there. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So the 5 should be here or there. Same with the 1. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes here or there. So it will eliminate the 3 because we have a pair. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left should be the 2 here. The 1 and the 5 we have here. We have a 1 here, so this can be a 1. This should be the 1 and this should be the 5. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Now we have a 5 here. So this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be a 4. This box cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. 1 and a 5. So 2, 3, and 4 are left. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great Tectonic. With 1 star. Yes. If I can make it, you can make it. Alright. I like this one. Thumbs up if you like this. Thumbs down if you dislike it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last Tectonic with 3 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.